Today we will see one of the most amazing car factories in Canada. This is the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon car assembly plant at Brampton, Canada. Manufacturing starts with the pre-attached body and chassis assembly. Then various parts are assembled on the car's body. After that, the car is moved to the next station through a car lifter conveyor. Then the rear diffuser bumper is installed manually. Now the dashboard is connected to the multiple controllers using a lifting device. Next, the spoiler is attached to the car's body